Before we solve your connection issues, make sure to hit subscribe to join the lab and download our Zero Downtime Technical Manual at the link below to follow along with the exact command strings. Welcome to Crypto Kryptonite. You followed the setup guide, you launched the Docker container, but your dashboard still says inactive. Or worse, it connects for 5 minutes and then vanishes. In the 2026 Inference Era, an offline status isn't just a glitch, it's a breach of contract. Every hour you're down, your uptime score tanks, and you get pushed to the back of the line for high-paying AI jobs. Today, I'm showing you the 3 hidden network killers that 90% of miners miss. We're fixing your ISP, your Docker bridge, and your firewall. Let's secure your uptime. The biggest reason your worker is inactive is that your ISP is essentially hiding you from the world. Most residential internet providers use something called carrier-grade NAT. This means multiple houses share one public IP address. If you're behind CGNAT, IO.net can't see your worker to send it tasks. Here's the test. Go to whatismyip.com and look at the result. Then log into your router and check your WAN IP. If they don't match, you're trapped behind CGNAT. The fix. You have 2 options. 1. Call your ISP and request a static IP. It usually costs a few dollars a month, but it pays for itself in 1 day of uptime. 2. Use a service like NoIP or a VPN tunnel that supports port forwarding. If IO.net can't find you, they can't pay you. If your IP is fine but your container is looping or restarting, your Docker bridge is likely conflicted. Docker creates a virtual network on your PC, and sometimes that network gets stuck between your primary OS and the IO.net server. Open your terminal and run docker network ls. If you see a massive list of unused networks, your system is confused. Run the command docker network prune. This wipes the slate clean without deleting your worker data. Pro tip: if you're on Windows, ensure your WSL2 kernel is updated to the latest version. A mismatch between your Linux kernel and your Docker version is the #1 cause of socket errors in 2026. I've put the exact command strings for this in the technical manual below. You might think your firewall is off, but Windows and many third-party routers have stealth mode settings that kill inbound AI compute requests. IO.net requires specific ports to be open, usually 443 and the custom range provided in your setup. Go to your advanced firewall settings. You need to create an inbound rule specifically for the IO worker monitor. If your firewall sees a massive influx of data from an unknown AI source, it will throttle your connection to protect you, effectively killing your compute rewards. You aren't just a browser user anymore. You are a server. Act like one. Solving these 3 issues is what separates the people making $2 a day from the people making $20. You need to be a technical solutionist to win in this era. If these fixes don't get you online, the issue is likely your hardware virtualization or your GPU clock limits. I have just added a 2-page IO.net connectivity cheat sheet to our Zero Downtime Technical Manual. It has the exact port ranges and Docker scripts we discussed today. Download it at the link below. If you're still getting a specific error code, comment below with your GPU specs and I'll jump in to help. Hit subscribe to join the lab and let's keep those rigs running. Cheers.